Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Previously, we unboxed the Meshnology N35 case kit for Heltec V3, and it'll accommodate Heltec V4 as well. And we assembled it, so if you haven't seen those videos, you might want to check them out, get a better feel for the N35 product from Meshnology. I think it's a good entry-level option. You're getting a complete case, a big battery, the Heltec V3, and I really like the sturdy case. So now we're going to flash our N35 with Meshtastic. So in flasher.meshtastic.org, we can go to the Heltec category, and the V3 is right there on the top. We'll just use the current beta and hit the flash button. Scroll on down. I'm just doing this to demonstrate in case you're not familiar with flashing Meshtastic. I'm going to do a full erase and install because it had their original Heltec software on it. Okay, that's the correct COM port. Erase and flash, and we see it going by. I'm going to crop this out from here. You don't need to watch the whole thing. It takes a while, actually. Okay, here we are at clientmeshtastic.org, and I'm going to go ahead and hook up to my Heltec V3 in the N35 case, and we're going to do a little configuration. This is the minimum configuration that you need to do to get on the long fast network. So most people wind up on the long fast network by default. So you go to LoRa, got to set your region, set your hop limit. I usually like to set it up to 5 hops here in Tucson. Channel utilization's around 15%, so it's not a big concern. Frequency slot 20, very important. Save those settings. Okay, so now let's use the phone app. The Bluetooth on a PC doesn't seem to work as well as the USB. So if I'm using the PC, I use USB, and then the phone, I use Bluetooth. We're pairing, and it flashes a code on the screen. Let's put that code in. Yeah, it's a PIN code. And then we can connect. Now look down at the bottom there. You'll see the messages flash by. Pairing completed, starting service, loading channels, config, and a node list. And you scroll up to the top and you can see you're connected. You could disconnect. All right, let's send a test message on long fast. So I've gone to the long fast channel, test, and we're just waiting for the check mark to appear in the cloud there. Okay, check mark in the cloud. So it's working at my house. And we got a good test message out on long fast. I had a unique opportunity. Last weekend was Rocket Weekend. I took a few of my Meshtastic radios out. You can look for my other review of the M1 from Elecro. All right, so we're connected out in the field here. I'm looking for my Seed Studio indicator. Oh yeah, I'm going to send a test message out to Longfast. See if the mesh is all the way out at the rocket launch. It's on the other side of the Tucson Mountains, past Sonoran Desert Museum, past Saguaro National Monument West. Okay, we got the check mark, so we know we made it to the mesh. All right, so let's go back to the node list. I'm looking for my Seed Studio indicator all the way back home. It's in the window of my office at the front of the house. There's the indicator. We'll click on that. Scroll down. I'm going to send a direct message. Too bad I can't be in 2 places at once. I could reply to myself. Test. Waiting for the check. Oh, there's the checkbox. That's 32 miles. So the mesh carried my message, my private message, 32 miles back to the Seed Studio indicator. So I really do like this N35 case. It's very sturdy. The only problem with the Heltec, the OLED display isn't good in the sun. If you're shaded, yeah, you can see it perfectly fine. But primarily you're interacting with it with your phone anyway. So it's your phone screen that you really need to see. Yeah, we're out at the rocket launch. And my house is 32 miles in that direction, other side of those mountains. Okay, look for the link down below for the product page. I think that this is a great entry-level offering. I'd get 2 of them if I were you. You get a discount, but you can always just get 1 for start. Oh, they have a coupon price even. Yeah. Check it out. Okay, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my Meshtastic playlist, or you can even go check out my Model Rocket playlists, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.